Let's do that. Hey, welcome back guys to the Smart-Hayabusa project. For those of you who don't understand, the Smart-Hayabusa project, you take a Smart with a freaking Hayabusa engine. Smart-Hayabusa! Hi, I'm Vinny B, and today we're building, finally, the subframe to implant the new heart of the beast. And we're on part 5, I guess, since the last video. It's on the front suspension, but more technical. Nothing was built there. Anyways, quickly guys, as always, thank you for your subscription to my micro channel. It means a lot to me. I'm gonna have 1,000 subs, which is a big milestone in the YouTube world. Maybe some of you didn't know that you need at least 1,000 subs to get monetized. So eventually I will have the privilege to have around $2 per million views. So it means that in a couple of months, this video, this one that took me, I don't know, 15 hours of editing, it's gonna pay me back at least, let's say plus multiply by at least $4. $4. $4. Yeah, hi boss. Yeah, I won't be at the office on Monday. Yeah, I've got this YouTube thing going on. I know! An entire $4? Nah, I won't be there. What? No, you. And seriously guys, first, I really enjoy my full-time job of being a mechanical designer, and I really appreciate the guys who normally I am working with, but since COVID and segundo, I've been inspired by people on YouTube that post videos on their projects and they share how they did it. So it's kind of a payback time because I want to inspire other people to get in the shop, start working on their project, even if it's a small project. Oh, but wait! They're telling me right now that I'm just about to reach that 1,000 subs. Let's go. Come on, one more. Just one. Let's go. Give it to Papa. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh no! Okay, now for the build, because I've got to build something here. I'm gonna show you the 3D design of the subframe, so you're gonna have a good idea of what I am currently building in front of you with the video. You get the point, right? $4. Let's do a YouTube video, they said. It's gonna be fun, they said. Still works great. And sometimes I had to notch both hands on the tube. To make sure that both notches were aligned, I zeroed out an angle finder on the tube notcher, and then, using a smaller tube pushed against the first notch, I tried to clamp the tube at 0 angle. Okay, well, it's welding time! I needed a template to build the size of the subframe, so I printed out some sheets that were 1:1 in scale. I taped and aligned them using markers that I added in the design.
Oh, you're so clever!
I know, honey. I know. perfectly square. Well done, Vinny. Well done. And we're back! Yes, we're back. So the subframe is now completed. Everything is stacked up. Well done. Before moving on, furthermore, I just wanted to double check if the subframe will fit correctly with the Smart. So
I'm got just some small holes to drill here because I know this is a cross beam right here, so I'll be fine. I didn't want to reuse the original fixing point because this one had a big bump on it, like an extruded section. And when I'm gonna do the final assembly, I will weld permanently this subframe to the Smart-Hayabusa. Same thing with the back. I will weld it all around, make sure it's pretty good. And one thing that it's nice to have a car that was originally a rear engine is that you've got some coolant piping already installed that goes underneath the car and they end up at the front, so it's quite convenient having those already set. All right, so let's drill some holes. Oh, there it is. There's a hole. There's a cross member. We'll just have to remove this goo that comes from the factory that they put on all the joint, all the seams. And I will just weld a nut right here. Ooh, it's looking good. Okay, I'm trying to figure out if this subframe is parallel to the car. Alright, let's zero that one out. And whoops, alright. Yeah, that's more than I. That's good. Yep, I'm starting to looking good. Well, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm still waiting on parts to arrive at my door. That will happen pretty soon, I hope, I think. It will. Pretty much all the companies that I purchase and order parts are now back in business. Thank you, COVID, motherfucker. So this is what you're gonna see on the next video. Stay tuned, because maybe you liked it. And if you do like it, share, like, subscribe, put it on Facebook, on Google Earth. That's not a thing. See ya. C'était n'importe quoi. C'était n'importe quoi. J'suis en jogging. J'suis en jogging. J'suis tellement en jogging. Ça fait tellement un mois que je suis juste en jogging à chaque jour. J'suis en jogging. J'suis en jogging. J'suis tout le temps en crise de jogging.